Hey guys, I thought it would be fun. This is Marla. I thought it would be fun to show you my finished home. Now remember, this is my minimalistic home in Arizona, so I am finally done furnishing as much as I'm going to do it. So let's take a peek. Okay, let's go outside on my patio first, and I'll show you some of the things that were taken away and some of the things that were added. We went through all the trees, all the bushes, and really did a little transformation. We pulled out all the very tall oleanders. They are toxic to dogs, so we yanked those out, and we're going to let the bougainvillea just really kind of expand. They were being suffocated by these other trees. The yard was way overplanted by the previous owner. We pulled out some dead bushes that were surrounding the house. The less things against my house, the better. That leads to less bugs, less scorpions. We're actually going to pull out 2 of the grapefruit trees. None of us eat grapefruit. And number 2, we are trying to take out as many plants and bushes that require too much water. I live in the desert. I should not have fruit trees in my yard that require, like 20 some gallons of water a day. It's crazy. Basically, just let what's going to survive. I don't like to water much. I water a little bit by hand, and that's it. I really want as many native plants in my yard as possible. Now, my big tree that is in the yard, and for the life of me, I am blanking right now on all these names of these trees and bushes, but the tree in my yard I think is actually dead. I hang my hummingbird feeder on it right now, but I think we're going to actually plant a new tree there. We got a grill, a little tiny grill for the backyard. The yard looks so much better now that all that stuff is cleared out. The dogs have more room, and my water bill's not crazy high anymore, and the plants aren't suffocating each other, trying to get sun, trying to get water. This way, they're going to grow, they're going to look beautiful, and they're going to have enough space to really do the best they can. I also put out my dog's grooming equipment. It's such a perfect spot to groom the dogs. There's a breeze, as you can see, and the dogs just stand up on the table. Half the time they fall asleep just looking at the scenery, and I can give them a good haircut there. That's it for the outside of my yard. It looks a little barren right now, but things will grow in. That's my dead tree that I will hopefully be able to plant a new one there in its place. But I'm just going to let all the plants there just kind of spread out, take over the wall, and just get as much sun as they possibly can. And then I'm going to take you into my garage. We tore out all the old shelving that was in there, and we had a handyman install all that overhead shelving. My husband wanted a brand new workstation, so they built that. They built all that overhead storage, and when you live in Arizona, I realized you don't want drawers. You don't really want too many drawers. You don't want a lot of dark places that you can stick your hands in and get possibly bitten by a scorpion. All the shelving is uncovered. And on the entrance to the house, you see a pegboard we can hang things on. This is my laundry room. The last time I showed you my laundry room, I did not have a washer and dryer. Finally have a washer and dryer. We hung up a little key hanger for keys, and then also a little hanger for all the dogs' leashes to keep everything organized in that small little laundry room that I have. When you come out of the laundry room, you see the first bedroom. This is bare bones, guys. I don't want many things on the wall. This is really for my one son when he comes to visit. We purchased a brand new fan for the room, and my husband just hung a brand new blind in there. I don't plan on putting any pictures in there to gather any dust. This is the extra guest bathroom. This is the one my sons usually use when they're here. And then when you come out of this room, you walk into my bedroom, which is finally done. I have my desk there, which I use kind of as a makeup area. My son was able to get an IKEA desk, which was very difficult during COVID. A lot of the work desks were really taken because a lot of people were working from home. He was able to snag this IKEA desk, which I absolutely love. I can store all my makeup in it, and then I have my mirror, and then I have a little filing cabinet, and that's where I put most of my jewelry. I can put my makeup on while I look out the window and see the hummingbirds out there. I don't plan on hanging really anything on the walls. This is a scaled down house for me. I don't want anything to collect dust. I don't want things that my sons are going to have to go through after I die and say, oh my God, mom was such a collector of junk. No pictures on the walls. I'm probably going to leave everything bare. This is my new minimalistic house. I think you guys have seen my master bathroom that was in the previous video that I showed you before. That has a big shower in there, and then also the tub and the double sinks. And that's where my closet is and the bathroom. And then this is my dining room. I think you saw this before. We have brand new blinds though on the windows, which makes it look a little bit more homey. And then when you turn around, you can see all the windows I have in the house. I absolutely love the open concept of this house. And then that's my kitchen. And then I have a little kind of breakfast nook area all the way at the end. There's only one chair there, and that's for me. A lot of times that's just where I like to eat my breakfast while I watch the dogs outside. And the last time I think you guys saw my video of the house, you didn't see the couch I got. I got this brand new couch from, I think it's from Crate and Barrel. I absolutely love this couch. It's great for dogs because nothing stains it. It's unbelievable. And then my husband has his recliner, and then he has a small TV there because he really doesn't watch TV much. And that is my living room, kitchen, dining room, master bedroom, outside, garage. This is a 3-bedroom house, so let me show you the other bedroom. This is it. I hope you enjoyed seeing kind of my minimalistic new home. Take care, guys. Bye-bye from Marla.